Send any document for signature from your smartphone or tablet using the SignNow mobile app. Start by uploading a document and define who will sign it. Then, specify the role of your recipient. Add fillable fields to mark specific places in your document where the recipient should sign and fill in their information. Next, adjust the placement and size of the fields you've just added. Go to the signature field settings to ensure the field is marked as required and assigned to the recipient. Remember to save your document and proceed to preparing an invite. Enter the recipient's email address. Then go to the role settings to fine-tune your invite. For example, you can protect a document with a password or customize your invite to make it more personal and impactful. Once all is set, send your eSignature invite. The recipient will find it in their inbox. If your document is locked, they will have to enter a password. To sign the document, the recipient needs to create an electronic signature. The easiest method is by typing. SignNow will turn a print name into a signature based on the user's font preferences. Once the signature is in place, the recipient enters the requested data into the text boxes. That's it. The signed document is good to go. You will find your document marked as signed in the SignNow app, where you can review, share, or print it directly from your phone. Get the SignNow app today and enjoy easy-to-use e-signature tools from anywhere.